How to block a sender on Yahoo Mail. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can block a sender on Yahoo Mail. Now, how do you get about this? The first thing to do is log into your Yahoo Mail. Once you're logged into your Yahoo Mail, you'll see your inboxes. And then if there's a particular inbox where or whose user you want to block, all you need to do is just to select the email like this. Just select the email like this. Once you've selected the email, at the top of the screen, the icons located there would have been activated. And then the icons include archive, move, delete, spam. Then next to spam, there are three dots here displaying more options. Just click on it. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed showcasing mark as read, star, block senders, block senders. So just click on it. Once you click on it, a box pop up showcasing please verify that you want to block messages from the following email senders. Then if you're sure, just go ahead and click on OK. And once you click on OK, the sender will be blocked. So this is how you can see the conversation has been deleted and the sender has been blocked. So this is how you can block a sender on Yahoo Mail. So quick and easy. Thanks for watching.